Mastering email etiquette. Make your messages more effective. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to delve into a very crucial aspect of written communication, email etiquette. This can make or break your professional relationships and greatly impact the effectiveness of your communication. So, let's learn how to craft your emails with a touch of respect, clarity, and professionalism. In our increasingly digital world, emails have become a primary form of communication, especially in the professional world. Proper email etiquette ensures clear communication, portrays a positive image, and prevents misinterpretations. Your emails are often the first impression you make, so it's important to get it right. Be concise and clear. Write short, clear emails with straightforward language. Break down complex ideas into easy-to-understand points. Always proofread for typos and grammatical errors. Subject line. The subject line should be concise, clear, and directly related to the email's content. It is the first thing the recipient sees, so make it count. Appropriate salutation. Start your email with an appropriate greeting. The level of formality can vary depending on the recipient. Dear, followed by the recipient's name or title is a commonly used formal salutation. Tone of email. Ensure your tone is professional and matches the situation. Avoid using all caps, slang, or jargon, which can be considered disrespectful or difficult to understand. Signature. Always sign off your emails with a friendly yet professional closing. Best regards, sincerely, followed by your name. Including your contact information is also a good practice. Be cautious when using reply all, CC, and BCC. Use reply all only when everyone in the thread needs to see your response. Only use CC when you need to keep someone in the loop, and BCC when you need to keep email addresses private. Respond to emails within a reasonable time frame. Even if you can't answer right away, send a quick reply to let the sender know you've received their email and will respond soon. Timeliness communicates respect and professionalism. Mastering email etiquette isn't hard, but it is essential. Keep these tips in mind, and your emails will be professional, clear, and effective. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope this video has been helpful in improving your email writing skills. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in our next session.